What's going on? It's your boy Jonte Grove with another vending video with the scruffy beard early in the morning. Say I'm out at Walmart. It's early bird gets the worm, baby. Say I lost one of my locations last night, so it is what it is. But I got 3 new locations. My locator, she sent me some information, and I got 3 new locations. So I figured before I go on my little vacation with the wifey this weekend, let me go hit the Walmart up, grab the candy I need. So hopefully, depending on the time, I might drop off at one of the locations today. If not, I'll just, when I come back Monday, I'll be dropping those off, so you can see that video too, where I'm dropping off the candy at the new locations. These are new machines, so I gotta calibrate them anyway. So that way we see how much we gonna make off of these candy bags I'm about to get. I'm trying to make sure that I'm probably gonna be getting Skittles, M&Ms, and Mike Nikes. See how that works, and trying to drop off the right amount of Skittles, M&Ms, and Mike Nikes to come out. So I got some work to do this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it out, and I'm about to walk into Walmart. So you ready? Let's do it. All right, well, spent $49 and some change. I gotta look at the receipt at Walmart. Say, they ain't really had much there. I guess, I don't know, they must have been restocking or something, but I got a little bit of something, enough to feel about a machine, maybe 2. But that's cool. I just wanted to, like I said, get the candy anyway, because I was out. I got Skittles for like $5, so that's not bad, right? They destroyed me on those M&M peanuts, bro. They only had like 1 bag. So it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It is what it is. Say, but I'll be probably hitting up the Costco's, because like I said, Costco's for me is like maybe 30 minutes out. And I didn't really have a lot of time this morning, so I was like, let me just hit this Walmart up, because it's literally like down the street from the house. So it is what it is. I do got PJP, which I don't know if you guys had that in your area, but that's also another like wholesale place. But I don't know if they have, they supply a lot of like what we call like they call bodegas in New York, but here we call them poppy stores. But they like the little Spanish corner stores or whatever, so I know they supply a lot of them, but I don't know if they got like the bulk candy bags. So I'm gonna have to actually look that place out one day. But I'm on my way home, so let me start recording and I'll show you what everything looks like. So before I actually finish my last video, I end up going on vacation. So filled the machines up, and now I'm actually about to head out and take them to locations. As you can see, it's snowing, but the roads aren't too bad. And one of the locations is actually up the street from my house. So that's major, and that's cool. So I'm heading over to the car so I can move the car in front of my house because there's no parking. Take them bad boys out, throw them in the trunk, drive them up, get some breakfast, done deal. Finish. Finito. Right? So y'all about to catch that. So that is a no-go when it comes to dropping off them candies. Not today, baby. It is not going down today. Say, this snow ain't even that bad. It's the roads. It is the roads. Oh man, I'm driving and I start slip. Oh, nope, not today. Nope, not today. Not today. Getting in an accident. I got candy flying all over the expressway. Not today. You will get your candy tomorrow. You get these candy machines tomorrow. I am not doing it today. It is not going down. And that's fine, because tomorrow it's supposed to be like 50 and raining. I don't understand this winter. The winter is confused, and somebody need to go talk to Mother Nature, man. It's been 60, it's been 50, it's been 20 degrees, it's been 5 below. Like, 2012 was right. I don't know, man, but I'm not, the one location I called and they told me to come tomorrow anyway, that's up the road from my house, so I didn't mind going there, right? But the other one is about 20 minutes away, and the way this traffic is looking, 20 minutes is like an hour. I don't know, no. And I gotta do my main hustle tonight, so, no, it's not going down. Not today, it's not going down. So, what I'll do is I'll do a short video of me dropping these machines off tomorrow. But today, I guess, was the preliminary to getting these machines out. Oh man, I really want to get them out there, dude, because I'm a hustler, man. I hustle, and I just want to do it. But you know what? It's a snow day for the kids. It's a snow day for the wife. So I'm just gonna go back inside. I'm gonna hang out with them today, try to rest up for the night, and I think that's gonna be it, man. The machines are ready to go, so I got the labels. Shouts out to, so I'm in a vending group. It's called Vending Mafia. Shouts out to my man that was running there. I can't think of his name right now, but he had the PDF files for the actual labels. So I just printed them out. Stickers is fine. Just printing them out, and I just put some tape on there in the inside, and you can't even tell that it's tape. So, and the images are really good. They're really big images, so I shrunk them down just a little bit so they can fit inside of the machines. And so I did that. That's done. I printed out. This may contain, peanuts or whatever, and I put my phone number in there for service, and I got all that done. So that's all finished. So all that work is done. All I got to do is place them. So that's cool. And again, I just want to thank everybody for commenting. I know a few people have been telling me, start with the VinStars and move on to the bigger and better machines, which that was the idea anyway. I just wanted to really get in because I hate talking about something and not doing it. And there's three people that I know of that's in my city that have like boxes on boxes of VinStars. So I can actually just buy those. They got, I figure, the first couple sales, they're going to get me on the price. And then once I figure once I keep purchasing from them, they'll be able to lower the price. Or if I can find some better machines. So we'll see how these VinStars do. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know where that came from. But, hey, man, listen. You put a quarter in, candy come out, I get paid. So, I mean, that's just kind of how I am. But I do understand it's all about the qualities. You don't want to keep going back and forth because flaps are breaking or, whatever. It's made out of plastic. So, I get it. There's a lady that lives down the street from me. She has some old school machines. When I was in my group, I asked somebody, I believe they said they were Root Masters. And that machine is all metal and it's heavy as hell. So, she's giving it to me for like 25 bucks. The one she gave me was broken, so that's in the basement. So I figure I could possibly use that for like parts or whatever, but I want to check out the other ones to see what those actually look like. She has 2 at her house now, and then the other ones are somewhere else. But 25 bucks, I mean, I can't beat it, especially if they're actually in really good condition. If I got to get locks or keys or whatever, I don't mind paying the $6 or $7 for them to put them in, because I know I'm getting some all metal machines. So look out for that. And I'm looking into purchasing my very first full line machine. So we'll be look out for that. Going to the place to get it. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you, man, we got deals out here, baby. We got these deals out here where I live at, man. I was just in Baltimore, and I was on Craigslist and OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. Hey man, if you watching this video and y'all from Baltimore, shame on you. Shame on you for some of the prices y'all got out there for y'all vending machines and gumball machines. Shame on you. It's like triple the price. Triple the price. It's ridiculous. Man, listen, I think I might put a screenshot on here to show you. It's triple the price. Triple the very same vending machine that's for sale where I'm at right now for $350 was $1,300. $1,300 used. Shame on y'all, Baltimore. Shame on y'all, Baltimore. Shame. Y'all prices inflated. As I was also driving around, this is kind of off subject, and I seen somebody selling a car. It was like a 1996 Subaru for $7,500. $7,500. I said, "What, they selling dope? This is ridiculous." Hey, Baltimore, shame on y'all, man. Shame on y'all, Baltimore. For real, shame on y'all. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, keep commenting, keep giving me them thumbs up or the thumbs down if you don't like it. It's cool. Hey man, listen, it is what it is, baby. But you still absorb my content, and I appreciate that. So links are at the bottom again for the podcast. I actually haven't done a podcast in like 3 days because, like I said, man, I had to do, spend some time with the baby. Got to give her some love because she support me. So I got to do that. Spend some time with the kids because I love them sometime. So this is going to be it for this video. I appreciate the love and all the support. I really do. Just keep on grinding. Keep on doing what you got to do, because they say a righteous man falls 7 times, and 7 times a righteous man get back up.